How to recover WhatsApp videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open WhatsApp application. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then after simply go to setting and simply go to storage and data. Scroll below and click on when using mobile data. Choose the option of video and click on OK. Then after again go to Wi-Fi and choose all the type of media here. Now the last option is to go to roaming and choose the option of videos. Simply click on OK after that. Now once you have updated this setting, whenever you receive any video in WhatsApp, automatically it will be backed up. For that, simply go back, go to chat, scroll below, go to chat backup and click on backup and choose the Gmail account in which you want to continue with the WhatsApp messages backup. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.